Hello, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 1 in the Life is Sweet June paper pumpkin kit. I have everything I need out here, but I've got a couple of tips before we get started. We've got the linen thread and it comes on a spool, and to stop it unraveling, I just take my scissors and I cut 2 slots in the top, and then I can just tuck my thread in there and it holds it and it stops it unraveling. The other piece too is because it's on a spool like that, it's all curly. But what you can do is just run it through your fingers a couple of times and it straightens it right out. So you've got a little bit of a wave in it, but it's not that curly that it was. So the first thing we need to do is we need to stamp "Wish You Were Here" on our greeting banner. So I have put Versamark. I've stamped Versamark on my stamps before I've started. And that I find, thank you for the hints on that, find it works really well for stopping the kind of bubbly effect on the new stamps. So we've got that done. So I need to take this and I need to put dimensionals on the back. So I'm going to put one here, one here, one in, oops, just one in the top of each corner there, and then one in the middle, okay? And then I need to take my linen thread, and I need to leave enough to tie a bow with, but I need to come around twice. Okay, to come around twice, and then tie a bow. So bear with me, I'm not overly clever at this. But we are going to, what I want to do is tuck this underneath so it keeps my pieces together. And then I'm going to knot it like that. And then I'm going to tie my bow. There we go. Okay, that went better than I expected it to. And I'm just going to trim off my extra piece. So we've got the bow done. Okay. And now I need to adhere it to the card front. The Miss You has a little tiny dot for the eye there, so I've just put it on top of the cherries there so that I can find it again later. So let's peel the backs off these mini dimensionals and we will finish building this card. Okay. So yes, this is a replacement kit because my first kit is still in Winnipeg, clearing customs, and there is no hope for it. So Stampin' Up! Very kindly sent me a new kit. So I apologize for the delay, and thank you to those of you who reached out to ask if they'd missed the videos. It's like, nope, I haven't done them yet. So I thought we'll have, when the July kit arrives, we'll do paper pumpkin almost 2 weeks in a row, but it's all good. Okay, so we need an adhesive dot on the back of the top of the eye, and I'm following the instructions here where to put the adhesive. It's actually quite important to follow along where to put the adhesive. Because if you put it in the wrong place, it might mean that you aren't able to put another element on, or you won't be able to slip it underneath. So I've got those there like that. And now I need to take my greeting and I need to put 3 dimensionals on the back of the greeting, like this. And they want me to make it a unit. Like here, it shows it being a unit and then going on the front, but I'm going to put the pieces on individually. Okay, so I'm going to put the Miss here like this. Okay, and then I'm going to take that dotted eye, and I'm going to peel the backing off that one. It's a teeny tiny piece. There we go. So we're just going to pop that down like that. Okay, and now we're going to do the same with the U. Okay, there we go. Just going to pop that in the middle, underneath like that. And then I need to pop my dimensionals on, or my greeting on. So peel the back off the dimensionals. And just pop this on right in the middle like that. Okay. And then I need to take the cherries. And I do somewhere on here have the little stars organized. Okay. So the cherries, they say I need to put a dimensional on one of them. I need to put a dimensional right in the middle of there, and the other one I need to put up top like that. And then on this one I need to put an adhesive dot right there. Okay, so then I need to put this one like this, and then this one like this. But the leaves are more apart like that. Okay, and then I need to take those little stars and I need to put an adhesive dot on the back of the little star and pop it in the middle of that set of flowers there. And then my other star I need to do the same thing with. So sorry, this is a very quiet video while I concentrate on all these little pieces. So we're just going to add that there and pop that one on that one like that. And they call for the small star as well, and honestly I can't find where that small star goes, so I'm just going to leave it off. But we do have our gems here, and I'm just going to use my scissors to pull these off because I needed to use the scissors for the twine. So there's a large one and a small one, and then we put another large one up here. And that is our first project using elements from the June 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for project number 2.